Welcome to Mmmmaven. Here we learned how to produce different mediums of music using turntables. I found it really interesting and fun to create my own soundtracks. We then designed our own music, layering different sounds and developing them through the use of Launchpad. The music you hear is our creation.
Today, in our Trashion workshop, we worked with a partner and MIT students to design clothes using only recycled materials. We learned that we could still create cool and interesting clothing out of scrap materials. Our greatest challenge was figuring out how to create our designs using the limited resources that were available. After we had finished making our creations, we got to show them off in a fashion show. Overall, I think the activity was incredibly fun and we all really enjoyed seeing the finished Trashion.